Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with another journal share. This one is the twin to one I did not too long ago. I just never did get the video done of her, so this is probably going to be a quick video because it's similar to the last one, but not quite. I just used one of my butterflies that I made when I was using Patty's Stains by Patty Pockets right here on Etsy, and a wood piece from Michael's, and then I put some muslin behind there and used the book corners, put some lace on the spine, and this was, I can't remember, I think it's some paper I just had in my stash. I can't remember exactly, I'm sorry. And she only has one chunk of signature in there. And let's see. This one is available. I just never made a video on it, so I thought when I was cleaning my craft room I better do a video so people can see inside. And I just made, I love this one. I don't know what it is about it, but I made this little tag and I love it. And a little booklet out of some scraps that I had laying here. There's a little tuck spot here with some ephemera inside. And again, I just tried to use stuff up. This is an old book page, super old book page, and I put washi tape on it so it wouldn't fall apart when it bended. A doily, a vintage doily from Miss Vonnie. She sent me these. I thought I better get busy and start using that stuff up because I've hoarded it for many years now, and she sent me some amazing things. And here, let's see, what did I do? It's been a while. Some more checklist paper with a little piece of ephemera there. You flip it up and you have this little book, library book thing. And I don't know where that came from, but yeah, a little pocket there. And these little guys I think are already made, and they were sitting on my desk, so I just glued them on there because I just thought they were super cute. And over here, a little tag I made. And this is made out of canvas, there you go. And I just did some layering on it, and it was already sewn. Something I bought at on sale somewhere, so I just made it as a tuck spot. Some vintage schoolhouse paper. My dog's over there putting his ball underneath the table, thinking I'm going to get in there, but I ain't. And this is a little scrap piece of paper, and I just made it fold up and decorated the top. And it doesn't need this little thing on there to keep closed, but I put it on there anyway. Edith Holden book page. And here is a belly band with this beautiful card there. And then there's a tuck spot right here. And that's what the belly band looks like. I just made this as a tuck spot with these two inside. And it's glued right here, so this has got to tuck in over there. That's onto the left side a little because I had to glue it to the belly band right there. And this is some green construction paper right here. I have a big roll of it. Some vintage paper there. Just vintage ephemera paper. And here I have a tuck spot right there. And right here. And this paper is just like the green paper, only it's the brown one. And it flips open. And this is a little envelope with another little tag. Tuck spot there. Flip it up. Over here is a tuck spot. And most of them, if they're sewn on, they are on coffee dyed paper. Somebody asked me to stop flipping them over and showing y'all, so I'm trying to stop flipping them over, but I can't help it. It's like a habit of mine now. It's just so everyone knows what the backs look like, I guess. I'm not quite sure why I do that, but yeah, I'll try my best to not flip them over. And then there is a little tuck spot behind this little bird. which is sewn on there. And then in the pocket we have this pretty piece of ephemera, which I don't remember. I think it's Evie's ephemera. And I got these bags from my niece. A doily, vintage ledger paper, coffee dyed paper, and I can't remember where this came from, but I know it's old. And here I have a little, this flips up right here, and you got about three or four pieces of paper in here. 4 pieces of paper for journaling there, and then you just tuck it back underneath. And then there's these little pieces that you can create with there. And then we tuck on behind it is a couple more little spots back there. And then this is a tuck. So there's 1, 2, 3 tuck spots there. And I just put these in there just to show everybody where the spots are. I just really like this idea though. I thought that was pretty good idea. Just for extra journaling. A little collage there. A pocket here. Tuck those in there. Another one of those tabs. And we have a pocket here, sewn on coffee dye, or a tag, sorry. And then this and this. This is super old. It was gifted to me. And I didn't want to get rid of it, but I have so much cool stuff. I thought I better start sharing, and excuse me, I have hiccups. And this is just a little cluster belly band I made with these 2 beautiful pieces of ephemera. I don't know why I just decided to make a cluster paper. It has a piece of doily in there too though. Belly band. Behind here we have this cute sweet little guy here. Love that. And then another cut off piece of paper, which I just made a little tuck spot. And then these. I just made a little bookmark with that one. Punched a hole in the top so it can have a tab if you want. Over here is another tuck spot. That's Artie Mae's, I believe. Yes, and that. And then here we go. Did some stamping, a doily. Another piece of, if I can get my hands to open it, of ephemera there. And this little journaling ATC card. I just put some lace on there because I like to grab it and open it like that instead of having to try to get it open. That's my thinking on it. And I just did a little lace flip up here, made a pocket out of this tag, and put this little ephemera behind there. Get in there. Of course, I didn't round the edges, so it likes to be a stickler. Another piece of that ephemera. This is a pocket here. We have this journaling paper behind there, or ephemera behind it. I love this, so cute. And I just added some little extra pieces here and there on that. And then we have this trim. I think it's from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And some vintage paper. Come here. And then this piece was a piece I had left over, so I just glued it on and made a little tuck spot and put this ephemera behind there. And just added some stickers from Wish. And then these little guys, and then this flips open, and you have this pocket here sewn on. And then it flips this way, and then also comes all the way out. Just for extras, just like a little extra add-on, I guess. You could flip it this way if you wanted to. I just flipped it this way. And I really like this to hang out a little bit so you can see it. I should have put a tab on there. And this is a little window envelope that Trina gave me. And behind it is just a journaling, or a tag from already made, and inside is this beautiful card. And I just tucked it in there so you can see it through the window. Left that back there. Oh, I thought that was a piece of ephemera that needed to come out. It's been a while, apparently. Oh my goodness. And this is the other side. I just did a little cluster on there to hide the envelope tab, and I put this journaling card on there. The other part of that doily. The book page. And then we have this pocket, and it also has, come here, these two little pieces of ephemera for a tuck spot right there. A tag that I made out of a repair tag, which I love. And I have a whole bunch of these, so I tried to make some extras and tags out of them. And that is that little cute journal. And she is for sale, and I will leave my Facebook link below if you can come find me over there and send me a message if you are interested, and I will give you the information on her. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.